Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your password has been updated on Snapchat. If you forget your password, so how to recover? First of all, go back your home screen and open your Snapchat and tap on user account. Tap on this, enter your password and tap on login. You guys can see we could not find a matching account and or password. So how to recover? Tap on forget your password and tap on your phone and enter your phone number and tap on submit and tap on send a view text. Tap on this, wait for some second, enter your verification code and enter your new password and tap on continue. You guys can see your password has been updated. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open any one browser. Open any one browser and tap on Snapchat Sports. Tap on this and tap on Snapchat Sports and tap on my account is compromised. Tap on this from here you tap on I cannot access my account and scroll down and tap on I forgot my password and tap on yes and enter your username and enter your email and enter your phone number, and from here you guys can see description, enter your problem and tap on submit. And after submit, 24 hours Snapchat team contact your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.